If a is equal to 50, b is equal to 3, and c is negative 0.5, find the value of the following. The first one is d, which is going to be equal to c, negative 0.5, into 3 lots of 50, take away 3. So that's negative 0.5 into 150 take away 3, so that's 147. Of course, we could use the calculator for most of this anyway, provided this comes up on a calculator paper, of course. So negative 0.5, rookie error. When you do the negative at the beginning, you should always use this negative over here. So negative 0.5 multiplied by 147, so negative 73.5. And I think for this sort of calculation you may well have the calculator. So this one here, a times c, so that's 50 times negative 0.5, plus b squared, or b is 3. So, well, a half of 50 is 25, so negative a half will be negative 25, and then we'll add 9, and that comes to negative 16. No need for a calculator there. And in fact, this type of calculation you probably wouldn't have the calculator for. It's just when the numbers start to get bigger. So what about this one? So a is 50 over 8 times c, and then to the power b, so cube. Now, I think there's a good chance we would have a calculator for something like this, so let's just substitute it into the calculator. Now, we could use these brackets, but if you use these brackets here, they actually expand as you put things in. So if you put a fraction template in, it expands, so it looks exactly like it does written down. So we'll have 50, and then we'll have 8 multiplied by negative 0.5, and we'll cube that. That gives us negative 1953.125. Of course, we were in decimal mode there. If we go to standard mode and do the same thing, it gives us it as a fraction. So it depends what form that you wanted the question in.